Welcome to Two Projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project Secure Communication using DiffieHellman Key Exchange, AES, and SHA for data integrity. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. So, the project aims to create secure communication channels in today's digital world by using advanced cryptographic techniques. It employs Diffie-Hellman to exchange secret keys between parties securely, AES to encrypt data, and SHA to ensure data integrity. So the Diffie-Hellman lets parties share secret keys without exposing them during transmission, ensuring communication integrity. Coming to AES, AES turns data into unreadable ciphertext, protecting it from unauthorized access. And SHA creates unique fingerprints for files, allowing users to verify data integrity by comparing them. So, we will be employing these three techniques to establish a secure communication between parties. So, the project offers user authentication, file upload, encryption, decryption, and integrity verification. So, by integrating these modules, it provides a secure platform for exchanging sensitive information, reducing risks of interception or tampering. Ultimately, the project aims to build confidence by ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of transmitted data, fostering trust in digital communication. So, this is the overview of the project. Now, we'll look at the software and hardware requirements to execute this project. Hardware requirements are operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 10 GB and above. Software requirements are Python IDLE of Python 3.7.0 version and MySQL Workbench. So these are the requirements. Now we'll look at the execution. Before execution, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project's source code files. So this is the code folder and these are the contents I have in the code folder. This is secure folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is secure app folder. So this folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And secure app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. So it includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And this folder also contains Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is DB file. So this file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL Workbench in order to establish the required database structure. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. So this file provides an alternative way to execute the project. Now double click on the run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. In the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host, and port unless configured differently. So this is the local host and this is the port. Now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I usually prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see user login and new user sign up here links. So if you are new to the system, we have to register ourselves first. Click on New User Sign Up link. Fill in these details and click on the Submit button to register. So username would be Ram. Give the password. Give the contact number. Select the gender. Give the email ID and the address. Now click on Submit button. So here we can see sign up process is completed. We'll create another user. So username this time would be Ravi. Give the password. Give the contact number. Select the gender from the drop down. Give the email ID and the address. Click on Submit button. So we can see the sign up process is completed. After registration, now we'll log in. Click on user login link. First we'll log in as Ram. Give the credentials, that is username and password of Ram, and click on login button. So we have logged in as Ram. Here we can see upload and secure file using Diffie key and AES. Download secure file using Diffie key and AES. Check file integrity and logout links. Click on upload and secure file using Diffie key and AES link. So now here we can share files to others. We have to select the receiver name from here. As of now, we have only one user other than Ram. So select the username. So only Ravi can receive this file which I have uploaded. Only he can view the file. And now we have to upload the file here. Click on choose file. We can upload any file. I'm uploading this requirements file. Select the file and click on open. The file has been loaded. Now click on upload button. So we have uploaded the file and we have selected the receiver name. Only Ravi can view the file. Only he can download the file in the decrypted format. So here we can see the DiffieHellman key, AES and SHA code generated for the uploaded file. So these details will be used to conduct an integrity check on the file. Now click on download secure file using Diffie key and AES. So here authenticated users can view the files and they can download the files, both senders and receivers. So here we can see this is the file name. This is the Diffie Hellman key. This is the hash code generated by SHA. So by clicking on this click here link, we can download the file in the decrypted format. So I'm clicking on the click here link. So we can see the file has been downloaded in the decrypted format. If we look at the static folder, here I have a files folder where I have this uploaded file stored in encrypted format. So if I open this file, so we can see the data inside this file is stored in encrypted format. So authenticated users can download this file in decrypted format, which we have seen now. So by clicking on this click here link, I have downloaded the file in decrypted format. Now click on check file integrity link. So by clicking on this click here link, we can check the file integrity if there has been any changes to the file or not. So we can see the file integrity successful, no data changed. So this file is not changed. So there are no alterations done to the data in the file which I have uploaded. Now click on logout. Now we'll log in as Ravi. Give the credentials of Ravi. So I have logged in as Ravi. Now click on download secure file using Diffie key and AES. So even Ravi can download the file. So we can see the file name, the DiffieHellman key, the SHA hash code. And by clicking on this link, even Ravi can download the file in its decrypted format. We can see the file has been downloaded in the decrypted format. Now we'll log out. We'll create another user. Username would be Ramesh. Give the email ID and the address. So I'm creating another user. So we can see sign up process is completed. Now we'll log in as this user. Give the credentials of this user. So I have logged in as Ramesh. So Ram has only given the access to Ravi. So Ramesh cannot view the uploaded file. Click on the download secure file using Diffie key and AES link. So here we can see there are no files shared because Ram hasn't given any access to Ramesh. Only the people with access can view the files and can download the files. Click on logout. So I'm logging in as Ravi again. So this time we'll do some changes here. I'm removing these equal to symbols and I'm saving this file. So I have done some changes to this requirements file stored in static folder. This is stored in encrypted format. So I have done some changes to it. Now click on the check file integrity link. Click on the click here link to check the file integrity. So here we can see file integrity failed, data changed. As I have done some changes to the file stored in static folder, which was in encrypted format. So here we can see file integrity failed, data changed. Now click on logout. In this way, we can secure communication using DiffieHellman for key exchange, AES for encryption and decryption, and SHA for integrity checks. So this ensures data confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity, reducing the risks of interception and tampering, that is changes, and providing a secure platform for sensitive information exchange.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.